Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain about how to display the factors for the given number. See, for example, if we are giving the number is a 6, factors are nothing but divisibles. We need to check, is it divisible with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to repeat the loop from 1 to n, and every time we are checking, is it divisible with 1, is it divisible with 2. With every number we have to check up to itself. If it is divisible, yes, we can print it. So that is the simple way. See, 6 is divisible with 1 or not, 6 is divisible with 2 or not, 6 is divisible with 3 or not, and so on. 6 is divisible with 6 or not. Sir, what is 6 here? Is nothing but n. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? It's I equal to 0. So how to write the code based on this explanation? I'm just taking int n, whatever the number you can take. We have to repeat the loop from 1 to itself, nothing but n. For integer I equals to 1, I less than or equals to n, I plus plus. I value is starting with 1 and ending with n. Every time we are checking, n is divisible with I. If n value is divisible with I equal to 0, then simply we are printing that n value. Simply we are printing this n. This is the simple way of displaying the factors for the given number. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.